Wormy, this is Wormy.
Ready? Wormy, get up!
Woo!
Wormy, you're late. Get up! Wormy, why do you spoil this? You naughty one.
Anyways, so these wormies, they're very, very shy.
Very shy.
You see, when you want the people to look at them, just take a good look. See, right? This always happens. Look at this. Wormy, say hi. Wormy, where are you going? Wormy. Okay, you see? You want to see it again? It's like this. Wormy. Hello. And it's going in. Okay. Anyways, now time for Coca-Cola to drink.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to knock on the glass and the Wormy's going to jump 2 times. Go, Wormy!
Yay! How amazing is this Wormy?
Totally amazing.
See, Wormy
Wormy
had a little fall. Woo-hoo. Okay.
Jump,
Wormy,
Wormy!
Wormy, go around 2 times. Yeah. 2 times. Yeah.
Why are you stuck there, Wormy?
Wormy jumping a little bit. Jumping a little bit.
Wormy, I want you to loop 2 times, okay? Loop 2 times, okay? Go!
Okay, so these wormies, they're very, how do I say? They're very
disobedient with me, you naughty purple worm.
Okay, so I just want to go inside. Sometimes they can be very affectionate.
Yeah.
Right? You're gonna kiss me. Good night. Mwah. That's the end of the video. Bye. You can find us at cutekiosk.com. CUTEKIOSK.com. Thank you. Bye.